Yeah. Marshmallow, yeah, we back on this again. It's your boy Delmo. Back in the day seemed like yesterday. It's a shame it didn't come here to stay. When we practiced smoking weed, it was nothing to us, we were just kids. Listening to Nate Dogg was a crime, but I did it anyway, that was my prime. And today I'm on the line, waiting on my turn to hit the lights. I really miss them days.
Hold up. Back in the days when I was rapping in my prime, Nate Double G was a G in my time. My mama and Bucks would whoop my ass for listening to Warren G and Nate Double G. That's right, they were regulators, more like gladiators. For now Nate's gone, so who's gonna regulate it? But my nigga Delmar and me, myself, and I S-double-E-D.
Every day.